for being here with us today in this special occasion. Your presence itself gives us hope, motivation, and we feel excited at the same time. On behalf of all the youth who received this Yes Meghalaya scheme, I would like to convey my thanks to the government under the leadership of Sultan Prak Sarman for the generosity to extend a helping hand to the youth through this scheme. This scheme gave us hope and motivated us to strive forwards, whether we are in different types of sport or music or in any category. I think from our side, this is the first time that we receive this type of scheme for Yes Meghalaya. So we hope all the youth who receive this scheme will make use in a proper way for the better future.
This is our own